starting to get serious.
Yeah, that's it. It's not bad, you know. It's not bad.
So it looks like there's a lot of it.
Yeah. So
Definitely after that one the other week,
yeah,
there was less here.
yeah. It's possible that there might be like the queen that I gave it to you. Maybe that's the same one.
Yeah, because it should be the old queen, shouldn't it?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'll see how she behaves.
Alright. I'll take this top one off.
I mean, the box is nice. You know, having a floor high is yeah, it's interesting.
It's interesting, yeah. So, I'll lift this off.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is their excluded. It's different than the standard one, isn't it?
The gaps are quite wide. I wonder whether a queen can go through as well.
Not meant to be able to.
Yeah.
Is this alright if I just put this here?
Yeah.
How often would you have a look at yours?
Look, if I'm anxious and excited, maybe every 2 weeks.
Okay.
But actually, it's good to open the hive maybe every 2 to 3 weeks because of the small hive beetle.
Yep.
They're extremely dangerous. They can do so much damage. You see, your box is full. You see, a month ago or 2 months ago, pretty much you had 4 frames empty. So it's very crowded, I would say. So
that's why this one.
yeah, it's If you do, you have the tool to?
No, I don't. I can get a screwdriver easily.
No. I have the tool if you want to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks really good.
I've still haven't bought this. I'll buy a smoker and a tool.
So you can kind of use something like in, and then rest that one on the top bar and
In there or there?
yeah, inside. Just slowly. And then that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Obviously, and then you put your finger or somehow you hold it there, and then you move to another side.
To this end?
Yeah.
I see what you mean about slowly. It's in there.
And tap it like to slowly go, because you might squash.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, perfect. So do you want, I can now hold this and you can get the front.
Okay. Whoa.
Wow.
So I like to start.
So that it looks to me now she could be on this frame because it is pretty much brood frame. It's not full now because so you can have a look. Well, plenty of bees, you can tell that, that's for sure.
So is there a little bit of honey up there in the corner?
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. They always leave honey at the top and look of pollen. So if you turn around, you can have a better light. Not the frame, but you can actually move around.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and then I'm just trying to see how I can
That's a very big one there. No, it's not a queen. It's a big black one here.
Yeah, yeah, they're, yeah. No, I don't see. Yeah, you can't see it there.
Oh, is that a queen cell down there? No.
No. Maybe, but...
Well, what are these ones poking out over here, Pete?
Sorry?
See right in the middle at the bottom. Right at the bottom.
Those?
Here. There. In the middle. There.
Oh.
Just there. Those round ones.
That's drone.
Oh, drones.
So they're a bit larger, but that's a drone.
Right.
Yeah. They just, yeah, I don't see that one. Let's see if it was,
And those bits sticking out, that's
just hatched. You see how it's strange looking hairy? Is that one there? Those couple
Oh,
of,
yeah.
yeah, so that's just maybe a couple hours ago.
Okay. But some are quite small too.
Yeah, well, they are just, yeah. No, I don't think it's, she's there. But she's obviously, but I wouldn't say, well, you have plenty of bees now. Yeah.
No shortage, eh?
No, no shortage at all. So I think your top is going to be filled, that box this summer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
if ever.
Yeah. If ever.
But it should, I think. I'm just kidding.
So will I slide this back in?
Yeah, slowly.
They're poking out a bit. So you just leave those on there, do you? Those
What?
These bits that are poking out at the bottom.
Well, yeah, well, I can do that. Okay. Are you holding it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you should actually remove these bits, yes. Well, that's it's going to be, yeah. There at the end, actually. So, yeah.
So just slide it in slowly. So, I mean, it seems like they're going well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, very well.
Now with your, like, would you only like harvest the honey once a year? Once in spring?
Depends. It's really up to you. Twice in spring and maybe in February.
Right.
Like in maybe first time maybe in November, mid-November and November.
Yeah.
But at that time it won't be too much, you know. But it's a different honey than one in February.
Okay.
Yeah, different taste.
Now, can you help me out because the glove's actually stuck underneath. I don't want to pull it out so in case it drops. Thank you.